Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope all of you are fine and staying at home to make yourself protected from this COVID-19 virus. So today we are going to talk about the active voice and passive voice of continuous tenses. So our first continuous tense is present continuous tense. When we talk of present continuous tense, as far as its helping verbs are concerned, we use is, are and am as helping verbs in its active voice. As far as main verb is concerned, we use present participle form. I hope you know what is present participle form? Yes, the ing form that you used to call, where its proper name is present participle form. Right? So, as far as its passive voice is concerned, we use is being, are being, am being, and as far as main verbs are concerned, we use past participle form. Always remember that in passive voice we use past participle form. No matter which tense we are dealing with, the only one form in passive voice, that is past participle form. Okay, as far as is, are and am are concerned, is will be used when our subject is singular, right? Like he, she, it, or any singular name. Are is used when our subject is plural, like we, they, boys, girls, plural nouns, right? So they'll take are with them. And am is used with I. And don't forget, we use are with second person pronoun you as well, right? Similarly, is being will be used for singular subject, are being for plural subject, and am being if our subject is I. So let's start with example first. The example says children are flying kites. So here children is the singular subject or a plural subject? Yes? Yeah, it is a plural subject. So as it is a plural subject, so we are going to use are in this. Children are, and present participle form of verb fly is flying, and kites here is the object. Children are flying kites, and then we want to convert it into passive voice. So kites, the object will come in the beginning. Now kites is a singular object or a plural? Yes, please. Yes, good. It's a plural. So we will use are being. If it was singular, we would have used is here, but since it is plural, so we are going to use are being here. Kites are being flown by children. Now to make this negative, children are not flying kites. So kites are not being flown by children. As you can see the difference, here we have added being to show continuity, because in passive voice the continuous form of the main verb can't take place. So to show the continuity, we are using being here, right? So don't forget, this one word can make a huge difference. If you remove it, it becomes the passive voice of present indefinite tense. If you add it, the word being, so it becomes the passive voice of present continuous tense. So kites are not being flown by children. So here not will come between are and being. I hope it's clear. Okay, now let's move towards the next sentence, that is the interrogative sentence. Are children flying kites? So as I explained to you earlier, that we always put question mark at the end of an interrogative sentence. Are children flying kites? So it's passive voice. What will happen? The helping verb will come in the beginning. But being will not come. Being will stay at its position. Only are will come in the beginning. And the sentence will be, are kites being flown by children? And sign of interrogation will come at the end. Now, the next one and the last type of the sentence is negative interrogative. Are children not flying kites? Are children not flying kites? And its passive voice will be, are kites not being flown by children? Are kites. So it will be only are that will come in the beginning, and the rest will stay on its position. Are kites not being flown by children? Now you must be wondering that why did I use flown here? Why flown is there? Can anybody tell me why flown is used in passive voice? Why not fly or flying? Because past participle form is used. So the past participle form of verb fly is flown. Fly, present form, flew, past form, flown, past participle form, and flying is present participle form. So I hope present continuous tense voice is clear. If there is still any confusion, you can ask me in the class WhatsApp group. Thank you very much. Stay home and stay safe. Bye.